Hello everyone, and welcome to your Storm Watch on May 12th, 2024. So today, we are likely to see some storms breaking out, especially over eastern and northeastern Ireland, Northern Ireland, also into Wales, the English Midlands, and up through Northern England, especially the west of Northern England, and into Scotland, and especially the western half of Scotland here. We have a cold front marked by this area of cloud over central and western Ireland that is colliding with this warm air coming up from the southeast, with a high pressure over Europe here, and we are likely to see storms breaking out ahead of the cold front. So currently looking at the satellites, there is quite a lot of cloud though moving in over Ireland. If I play the sequence, the cloud is moving in from the west there. For the UK, just some patchy medium to high level cloud here breaking out. But if there is too much clouds, we might see the capability of convection not being as strong as forecasted by models. So that is one thing to watch out for if you want the storms. If you don't want the storms, then you want cloudier skies. But ideally, for storms, you want a lot of this cloud to just break up to allow convection. So moving through the models then, we're looking at the preset forecasts from these charts. So GFS has nothing really as of Sunday at 9 AM, apart from a few showers over western Scotland there. But by midday, they're forecasting showers and or storms breaking out over eastern, central and northern Ireland, also in parts of central southern England, and also into western Scotland there. And by 3 PM, they're getting intense and widespread. And same areas really, except Wales now will also have some storms breaking out there. Into the evening, these storms push northwards and clear Scotland into Monday morning. And into Monday, we see heavy rain pushing in from the Atlantic, but that is just more general rain rather than storms. Here is the ECMWF forecast. So today at 6 AM, it showed this cold front to our west, a few showers over Ireland. By midday, it's forecasting some heavy showers over the northwest of Ireland there, some storms possibly towards Scotland and the far southwest of England. And by 6 PM, you have widespread showers and intense downpours and or storms over eastern and northern Ireland, into Wales, possibly southwest England, into the West Midlands and up through Manchester area, up through Cumbria, Dumfries and Galloway, Edinburgh to Glasgow line, and then all the way up through into the Highlands and Western Scotland, and into the and overnight into Monday, the storms push northwards and eastwards before they are replaced by heavy rain from southwest. So here's the GEM. GEM is forecasting this sort of scenario. So again, I think that the GEM is not really showing them that well. Okay, so GEM is the first model to not really show a lot of activity. It could be that it's showing more clouds on the charts. So by 3 PM, it's only really having storms over the north of Northern Ireland, also towards Manchester and so on, and up into Scotland there, quite localised. And by 6 PM, they might be getting a bit more widespread and intense over Cumbria, especially there. And overnight, they push again northeastwards, and on Monday morning, we have rain coming into Ireland and parts of the UK. Now, UKV, this is more of a high-res chart here. So UKV is showing heavy showers breaking out by midday quite widely over North Leinster and West Ulster in Ireland, and then into the afternoon they break up widely over the English Midlands, into Wales as well, and also into eastern and northeastern Ireland. And this whole batch pushes eastwards and northwards, possibly some big storms. They could be forming into a line by the evening from the Midlands of the UK up towards Manchester, up through Cumbria, up through the central belt and into Scotland there. And this line will generally move eastwards and northwards overnight into Monday morning. And again, by Monday morning, we have this heavy rain coming in towards the southwest and into Ireland. Now, here is the icon. So the icon is, again, having showers pushing in. I think icon has a bit more localised, like the GM. So again, eastern and northern Ireland, Wales, but quite localised there, and mainly towards higher grounds. Possibly a few over like the Sheffield area here, but more of them up towards Scotland, and they're again pushed away. But I think icon does have them more toned down a bit, and the arpege I think it's acting up. But I'll try to show it to you. So by about 1 p.m, 3 p.m, you have showers over Northern Ireland and Wales, and into the evening they're also breaking out quite widely over Scotland there, before they all push away into Monday morning. But just say that there is a warning issued for storms for East and North Leinster, South Ulster, well actually the whole of Ulster, also central, northern and eastern Wales, northern parts of southwest England, the Midlands of the UK, also up through western northern England and the western half of Scotland. It's a lot to take in, but if you visit the Met.ie websites and the Met Office websites, you can see, what region you're in and if it's covered by the warning or not. So everyone, thanks for watching. Stay safe in the storms out there if you're near them, and we'll see how it goes today. Bye for now.